What's going on, everybody? My name is Mike. This is Wall Street Traders, where we break down hot trending stocks to put you at an advantage on the market. Hey guys, we're breaking down Dogecoin, the cryptocurrency. If you guys had seen my previous video that I posted yesterday, I did say that we would be pulling back to the 26-cent area, and it's almost really scary on how dead on that actually was. We actually literally hit this 26-cent area and created this bounce. Now we're trying to create a higher low, or we did create a higher low. We're now sitting on this trend line, so that is a good sign of a reversal. But keep in mind, we still are in this downtrend, so we just have to be careful until we can create another higher low and continue this uptrend. Then we would have a further confirmation that we are starting this reversal as of right now. But let me go ahead and show you exactly how I found this level, you guys. So this top line, let me zoom in just a little bit more so you guys can see these candlesticks. This top line used to be our major resistance line, and that can be tested. So what once used to be resistance was now support, working as a floor. And we can see over here that we came up, bounced off this level, came up, bounced off this level, ultimately gapped down into our major support area, but we'll get to that in a second. We have this top over here. We pulled back, had trouble breaking past this area, and then ultimately broke out above that, and then created this triple top over here, and then ultimately pulled back down to this level. If I zoom in, I can show you that once we broke past this level, we tried to break past, create a breakout again. We did this a few times, almost 3 or 4 times. You can see these candlesticks trying to break past this area until it ultimately failed and pulled back down to our support area. That's when it was over here or over here. I was explaining to you that if this does get rejected, it would pull back down to our major support area, and that if we did break past this area, to wait until we can come up and come back down and retest this floor. Overall, we didn't do that. We ended up failing and pulling back down to our major support level. So the support level, you guys, over here, we can see that we came up, got rejected. Ultimately, we pushed up into that area. We have these two candlesticks reacting or bouncing off of this level, and then we have these set of candlesticks bouncing off of this level. So this is why this is such a heavily tested area, you guys. This is why we apply multiple time frame analysis, and also why we apply technical analysis to help us put us at an advantage over the market. So let's go to where we're at right now in today. So we're up almost 5% for the morning, even though the crypto is open 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. So what we're going to want to look for, you guys, is to create this second higher low. If we can come up and come back down and pull onto this new minor support, that would be a good area, maybe around the 30-cent area. And then your first target would obviously be back up here at the 33-cent level. And that's if we do. If we do continue to pull back, like I said, yes, we did create a higher low. Yes, we bounced from support. And yes, we are on this trend line. These are all good things that we want to see for a reversal. But like I said, it is too early to confirm or say that we are in this this uptrend. That's why we want to wait for the best entry possible. So if you were to get in right now, let's say if it just wanted to continue this downtrend, right? It just created this higher low. We can see these candlesticks. Usually when it hits this area, when it pops up, it'll pull back down. So to stay on the safe side, the best entry that I can say as of right now is if we pull back down into this 26-cent area again, and have your stop loss below this these candlestick wicks, and that is, I can't even see because my own face is in the way. Give me 1 second. It's going to be below the 25-cent area. So as long as you have a mental stop loss or a physical stop loss, I don't see that being a problem getting back in that area. And then another option would be to wait till we come back up into this resistance area, and if we can break above that and pull back down into that level and see that it's working on that support, for one, that will show that we're in a clear uptrend. It shows that we're pulling back onto another level of major support. It's just more confirmation stating that we are in this trend. So like I said, it is kind of early to tell that, and it would be really aggressive just to jump in right now. So you never guys want to have FOMO. The fear of missing out will cause you to hurt your portfolio. There's sectors in the market every single day that you can profit off of. So just don't stay so fixated on just one stock, you guys. And I do apologize on my voice. I am sick. This is actually quite difficult, but I decided to push through it and do this for you guys anyway. But other than that, I hope this really helps you guys. Like I said, just wait for a better confirmation or wait for a better entry. But other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.